Hi Amulya.
Hi Aditya.
Yeah, I hope you're
Good
doing
evening.
well.
Yes, Aditya. I
Okay,
am
that's
well.
great.
How are you?
Yes, I'm also pretty good. So Amulya, can you quickly walk me through your profile?
Yes, thanks for giving me the opportunity.
Right?
I am Mohammed Kumar Swain. I reside from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I
Mm-hmm.
completed my graduation in Utkal University, Odisha.
Okay.
I have 6 months of experience as a data analyst, intern
Mm-hmm.
in Talented. I
Mm-hmm.
have hands-on experience using tools like SQL Server, Advanced
Okay.
Excel, Power BI, and Python.
Mm-hmm.
I am too passionate using group by, order by, aggregation Windows function, join subquery in SQL,
Okay.
um, SLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP,
Mm-hmm.
uh, pivot table in Excel,
Mm-hmm.
uh, data transformation, data validation,
Okay.
and different modeling activities, creating reports and dashboards in Power BI,
All right.
uh, basic NumPy and Pandas in Python. Apart
Okay.
from these professional skills, I am
Mm-hmm.
also too good in critical thinking, problem solving, and brainstorming with good communication skills and leadership qualities.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, my hobbies are watching movies, listening music, playing cricket.
Okay.
My short-term goal is to get hired in a reputed company, and my future goal is to have key hands on success of that organization. My strength is I am a good team player, quick learner, and self-motivated person with positive attitudes.
Okay.
And my weakness is sometimes I get panicked. It may
Mm-hmm.
be from lack of confidence or in new thing, but
Mm-hmm.
I worked on several months on it. I thought I can
Mm-hmm.
handle it. That's all about me.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Uh, With that, Amulya, I would like to ask you a question. So, how will you rate yourself on a scale of 10 with respect to the tools like SQL and Power BI?
Okay, Ajitesh, as I am too proficient in SQL and Power BI, and keeping my experience on my mind, I will rate 7 out of 10 in SQL
All
and
right.
8 out of 10 in Power BI.
Okay. So, let's go with Power BI then. Are you ready?
Yes, Ajitesh, absolutely.
Okay, fine. So, Amulya, tell me the difference between import mode and direct query.
Yes, Ajitesh, import mode and direct query mode is available in Power BI when we import the data. We can
Okay.
also change it during when we make a report.
Mm-hmm.
This only a store method. Store method. It is only store mode. Import mode is when you use import mode when we use only a small size data set.
Okay.
But we use a direct query mode when we use a large data set and we in real time cases we any apply any access or in this like situation we use direct mode.
Okay. So, are you sure on that?
Yes,
100%?
yes, 100%.
Fine. So let me just go to the next question. So can you tell me as Power BI developer, okay, so you are acquainted, you have done projects on Power BI. So I'm adding a position as a Power BI developer to you. Fine. So can you tell me as a
Yes,
Power BI developer, which phases you have gathered data and or performing the transformation or VA part of implementing? Can you say something about that?
yes,
Yes, please.
yes, absolutely. Uh, in a Power BI developer, we first have to understand the requirements of the stakeholder.
Okay.
We should gather the data and collect the data from various sources.
Mhm.
Uh, then we can edit it through Power Query and transform the data. And then we should do modeling activities and we if we want to add any calculated columns, major columns, then we can add. And finally, we make reports and dashboards. and collaborate with uh, stakeholders. This kind of work is done by a
Okay.
Power BI developer.
Oh, okay, done. So, have you set your roles? What you have played your roles in your projects when you came across your projects? So, what were your roles and responsibility?
My roles and responsibilities, as I am a data analyst, I work on a project supply campaign analysis. There,
Mhm.
my key roles are collecting data sets from various sources,
All right.
uh, executing data imputation, data validation, data transformation, and doing different modeling activities
Mm-hmm.
to extract key insights from the data sets, using
Okay.
a pivot table for data summarization, creating interactive reports and dashboards for a clear visualization,
Okay.
writing SQL query as instructed by the management. These all were my roles and responsibilities.
Done. 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 Okay. Fine. So, since you are good at data storytelling, okay. So, can you tell me what all other charts you have used apart from custom charts? Yes. Apart from custom chart, what all charts you have used during your process, your internship process?
There are mainly two types of charts in Power BI: built-in charts, which are already present in Power BI, and
Yes.
custom charts. I
Okay.
uh, I don't use so many custom charts because I don't have any company email, so I don't have use any custom charts.
Okay.
But I use so many built-in charts like uh, uh, column chart, bar chart, pie chart, uh, table, matrix, filter,
Mhm.
slicer, trim map, etc.
Okay. Fine. That's great again. So Amulya, okay. So can you tell me any scenario where you have used ribbon charts? Have you used ribbon charts?
Yes, I have used several times a ribbon chart.
Mm-hmm.
It is just like Sankey charts in costume visuals.
Okay.
We ribbon chart is a built-in chart in Power BI. Can I give you an example or scenario?
Yes, please. Please proceed with an
Uh,
example.
Suppose a table is available with sales, region, and order date, and so many columns. Uh,
Okay.
we can uh, we can drag and drop uh, ribbon chart from the built-in ribbon in Power BI, and
Okay.
add in axis we should add order date, and we should add sales in legend, and region in
Perfect. 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 That's okay. Fine. So Amulya, tell me, have you worked on conditional formatting? Can I get a brief on that?
yes,
Mm-hmm.
yes, I have worked in conditional formatting. It is a very powerful tool in Power BI.
Okay.
It just gives if you give some condition, it highlight the
Mm-hmm.
all data sets, and it makes easy to analyze the data. It's a very powerful tool.
Okay, okay. Okay, coming to the Power Query part. Okay, Power Query Editor. You have done all your transformation in Power Query Editor. So,
Yes.
what do you understand by M language?
Actually, M language means mashup. M means mashup. It comes from mashup M.
Mm-hmm.
When we do animation in Power Query, it is automatically executed, and we can see on the top it is written. It's a automatically written language. We should do our transformation in Power Query. It's a programming language.
Okay. So, you said that you are very well versed with SQL as well, correct? You have scaled yourself 8 out of 10. Am I right? Sorry, 7 out of 10. Yes?
Yes,
Yeah. Fine. So coming to SQL, Okay. So you have worked on SQL, right? So
Yes.
you would have used direct query in SQL in your projects. So can you tell me how many types of joins are there, and or any SQL scenario based where you have used joins, any kinds of joins? Can I get a brief on that?
Yes, absolutely.
Mhm.
Join is a very important part in SQL.
Okay.
Uh, Mainly, we use to join multiple tables through a common column, and uh, uh, there are many type of join like inner join, a left outer join, right outer join, full outer join,
Mm-hmm.
uh, cross join.
Cross joins.
This, and if you said what is the inner join, inner join is only fetch the common records from both the table,
Okay.
and left join uh, only fetch the left table records and common table records from both the
Okay.
table, and
Okay.
right join similarly it fetch only the
Right
right
side.
table records and common records from the right table, and the left join and right join
Mm-hmm.
combine to form a full outer join,
Okay.
and cross join is the Cartesian product of two tables. There is also another join, self join, but it is not a perfect join. It only use a left join and right join. But when join takes place within one table,
Okay.
means the table join with itself.
Okay.
It,
The
we
table
call it a
joins with
self join.
itself. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. So, do you know any aggregate function that you have used in your project?
Yes. Aggregate function means when we calculate a set of data, we use aggregate function. Mainly, we use sum, average, count, minimum, maximum. These kind of aggregation function we mainly use.
Okay. So that's from the technical. Now, can you please walk me through your experience with data analytics tools and the techniques during your
Yes,
internship? Yeah.
I have only 6 months of experience in SQL and Power BI
Okay.
and Python, but
Okay.
I have experience of 1 year in Excel, not
Okay.
in advanced Excel, in basic Excel, and 6 months of experience in advanced Excel.
All right. Okay. So, Amulya, tell me, how would you approach cleaning and organizing a large data set for analysis? Let's say 1 crore of data set. I mean, data have been present in a data set. So, how would you clean it up and organize it?
Uh, Basically, we do so many things in Power BI. I import the data sets in Power BI desktop and clean the data in Power Query by use clean, trim, these.
Okay. Is it possible to do in SQL?
Possible you can use different function, but it is pretty difficult for me as I use in it Power BI.
All right, that's okay, fine. So, how comfortable you are with the programming language like R or MongoDB for data analysis? Do you have any concepts of R or MongoDB?
Actually, I have two experience in SQL and Python, and basically I know what is MongoDB and
Okay,
what is R.
okay, okay,
MongoDB is used in it is a no SQL type database. It's basically used in social media
mhm,
where large amount of data sets changes continuously,
excellent.
and I don't have any experience in R.
Okay, fine, that's okay. So, Amulya, let's assume a situation where, imagine a situation where I'll be presenting you with a data set that has missing values. All right.
Yes.
Am I clear on this? Yes. So
Yes.
how would you handle that situation?
Uh, there is always present missing and null values when we practice data set or when we work on project. Sometimes we have to keep the missing values and
Okay.
null values to replace with a zero or maybe with a blank.
Mhm.
But sometimes we can discard the entire row if
Okay.
it is not any require for us.
Okay. So, Amulya, tell me, how would you ensure that data analysis findings are effectively communicated to your non-technical stakeholders? How will you do that? How will you ensure?
Yes, as a data analyst, I have that confidence that in my storytelling power, and I am also a data analyst who can create interactive reports and dashboards. I
Mhm.
can create a talking reports who is able to understand the stakeholders, and I have
So,
the capability. I thought
yes. So you are
maybe
telling that
non-tech
yes.
or
Yes. Yes, please continue.
maybe from the stakeholder, maybe from non-tech or uh, also he can understand my language. He can.
Okay. He can go through with that, visualization part and he can understand your telling. Correct?
Yes, absolutely.
All right.
Yes, absolutely.
Fine. Fine. So, Amulya, have you come across any situation or a time when you had to juggle multiple projects with tight deadlines?
Yes, several times it will happen in life, but I thought it's a time where can I prove myself. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
we can divide the team if we can divide the whole team into several groups
Okay.
and handed them many projects,
Mm-hmm.
all the projects, and we should do the project which is required fast for us, and then next we may try to uh, increase any bonus in team members as they will do more hard work
So how will
and
you
more.
how was the time efficiently managed?
Yes, I that is the way that I tell we should give some extra bonus for his extra time.
Okay, 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 fine, fine. All right. To maintain the productivity, I guess. Am I
Yes,
right? Yes.
absolutely.
All right.
Yes.
So how do you stay updated with the latest trends, Samulya, and the advancements in the field of data analysis?
Yes, I thought I am always ready to accept
Mm-hmm.
any update or any advancement. Uh, there are many social media platforms like LinkedIn, YouTube, where many experts are sitting only to update the recent things. I can learn from that.
All right, all right. So, Amulya, tell me, okay. So this was the part from my end, and one last question. Okay. So,
Yes,
tell me, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
yes. In future 5 years, I want to see me as an integral part of the organization
Okay.
who is continuously help in success of the organization.
Okay.
I will increase my knowledge and skills in order to take on more responsibilities for
Mhm.
which I will be get a incremental position.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So, Amulya, tell me, have you done any certification apart from this internship? Have you done any certification from any of the resources,
Yes, I
online
have
platforms?
done.
Yes. Can you
Yes, I
please
have
mention
done
it?
very. Yes, I have done various certificates from Infosys Springboard, TCS Ion,
Okay.
uh, IBM.
All
These
right.
all Coursera. These all.
Okay. Fine. So, did you find it insightful?
Yes, it's a very insightful. It makes our LinkedIn profile so
Okay.
good.
What
Anyone
What about the
can.
knowledgeable part? Did you gain some knowledge?
Yes, knowledge. Knowledge is the more we do the course only for the knowledge, not
Okay.
to.
Okay, okay, fine. So, have you driven any hackathon like events or something in your college days? Did you came across?
Yes, I have. I am always. I don't know how I became in front when I study in college. I was automatically in front when any
Okay,
situation
such
come.
events were conducted, correct?
Yes,
All right, all right. So with that, Amulya, thank you for your time. You may please leave the room. We'll reach you out once you are being shortlisted with your valuable feedback. Okay?
yes, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Amulya. Have a great eve.
Yes, thank you.